Hi, I'm Lynette. The holidays are just around the corner, and you know what that means. It's pie season! Obviously, that can be tough for those of us who are trying to cut back on sugar and carbs. So, today I've picked 5 low-carb and gluten-free pies, and we're going to get people, including some that aren't keto, to rank them.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Action. It looks like a berry
It
thing on
definitely has
top.
berry energy to me, like
Maybe a
berry
cheesecake?
I smell lemon. I
Okay.
see cranberry.
You smell lemon?
Yes.
It's got citrus in it. That's pretty good.
I love the tart and the tangy.
It's like tangy, and I love that. What's the crust though?
Looks like a walnut crust
Yeah,
or pecan
some-
crust.
And then with the slight sour of the cranberry, combined
love-
with the sweet and combined with the nuts.
It's like the
Wow.
perfect combination.
If you told me this was keto, I wouldn't believe you.
I agree.
Yeah, that was really good.
What would you
Yeah.
give it? Scale it from 1 to 10.
This isn't.
Yeah, you go.
I'm not gonna go full
go.
10 because there's got to be some room.
I know, you can never go full
But
10. That's what I feel
I'd
like
say
that too.
9.5. 9.5.
I'm gonna go above. I'm going 9.6.
I might go 9.5.
I think I'd go with 7.5. I like it. The crust is kind of throwing me off, but it's delicious. Like if you really like pecans, this one's really good.
I'm gonna go with a 10 on that.
I'm going with a 10 on this one.
All
I'll
right.
tell you what, though, I'm a harsh judger of pumpkin stuff.
It tastes like pumpkin pie.
It's autumn in one bite.
It definitely tastes keto to me.
Because there's not like normal sugars and stuff in it, I'm not getting that rich. I'm not attacked with the sugary
Yeah.
stuff, which is I'm kind of used to
In a
that.
regular piece of pumpkin pie.
Yeah,
But it's pretty
exactly.
close though.
It's got okay flavor.
It's definitely more savory than I thought it was gonna be.
If I had
This girl
this
loves
pie
spicy
instead of a regular pumpkin pie, I'd be fine.
Yeah.
I'd be fine.
If I didn't have a choice, I'd be fine.
Yeah, I like it.
I'll give it a 6.
Yeah,
6 out of 10.
6 feels right. Tastes like pumpkin pie.
Yep.
This one for me, I'm gonna give a solid 6.
Solid 6. I would probably go more along the lines of a 4.
On Thanksgiving, if I'm trying to stay keto, and I had this pie, I'd be perfectly happy.
I'm gonna rate this like a 5. It's good. If it's the ingredients I had at home, I would take it to a party, but it's not my first choice to take to a party.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with a 4 on this one. Yeah, I think that it's a good pie. I totally would eat it. It's just surprising. I think I'm not used to as savory a pie as this. But I ate it all, so
His is gone.
so take what I say with a grain of salt. Are you gonna eat that?
I don't know. I think out of 10, I would rate this a 3. You know, if I'm hungry, I'll eat it. But if there's like other pumpkin pies, I definitely would go with another pumpkin pie.
That was good.
I know, I'm ready. How long do I have to wait to try it?
It is banana something.
It is banana something.
It's not like a banana pudding flavor. It's got a little bit of a sweeter tone to it. I would compare it more to like Laffy Taffy banana.
The people who say that it tastes like a Laffy Taffy, sorry, you're wrong. It tastes like
It tastes like
it
a
tastes
cream.
like a cream pie or
It's not hitting you over the head.
No, it's a very subtle banana flavor.
Subtle, that's the word.
Subtle.
Yeah.
Wait, let's see the crust. I like the crust in this one. Like, if the pumpkin pie had this crust, I think I would have rated it higher.
If I didn't know any better,
Tastes like graham cracker crust.
yeah.
It's like bready.
It is. And I don't not like that.
It feels kind of high-end dessert, like very like sit around, talk. Doesn't feel like it's too heavy. I don't know. It's nice.
I like that definition.
Even though I don't like bananas, I think I would rate this higher than pumpkin. The pumpkin one. I think I would give this one a 6.
I'd give
And I don't
this
even
one,
eat real bananas.
5.
I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10. It's solid. I would come back for more.
I'm gonna give it like a 6. Like I like it, but I don't think I'd come back for more.
I would go with an 8. But I would definitely take it to a party.
I'm gonna say a 7. Definitely smells chocolatey.
Oh, I smell
It's
chocolate.
pretty. I love the little shavings on the top.
It's kind of like a mousse,
Yeah,
like
Yeah.
a cream cheese mousse.
that's a good way to put it. Cream cheese mousse.
It tastes like hot chocolate. I like it.
It's not bad.
The chocolate's good. It's heavier than the
Texture's good.
the cream part is thicker.
What would you rate it?
I don't know. I want to be nice to it. I'd rate it like a 5. Like I feel like it's very middle, like 5 out of 10. Very like middle of.
I would
road
call it.
pie.
The for the filling, it's like a 7, but for the crust, it takes it down to I would
Yeah.
probably say a 6 or a 5.
I would give this one an 8.
I would probably say a 6 on this one.
I don't know. I'm not a big fan of this one. I'd probably be like a 3. I would pass it over for something else.
I think I would give this one, I'd go with a 3. I'm still eating it though, so it's not horrible.
It's not like no.
But I like want more out of it. Either more chocolate
a
or
more
I'm
rich
not sure what
flavor.
it's supposed to be. Yeah, rich flavor.
I would probably eat this as a cookie.
Like it's
Let's
eating
treat
a
it
shop.
like a cookie. We don't need our forks for this one.
Really? Okay.
I've never cared for pecan pie.
Doesn't smell like it.
Wait, why is your piece like way bigger?
It's got a little bit of stickiness to it.
The apple is more dominating than I expected it to be.
I can't believe I'm saying this about something with tree nuts in it, but this was better
it's
than
actually good
the
too.
chocolate one.
I can't tell the difference between this and a regular pecan pie.
I used to pretend I was allergic to pecans because I didn't want to eat things with pecans in it. But this, I'm not allergic anymore. It's really good.
I gotta admit, I really can't tell that this is keto. That's pretty good.
8 out of 10.
I'd give it like a 7 out of 10. Yeah.
I'd give it a 9. 9 out of 10. Really delicious. Chef's kiss.
I'd be up there with 9.
So if we're gonna rate it, for
gonna
this
rate
one,
it.
I'd put back in like the 7 range.
Definitely an 8. Do you know what? I'm going to do like we did last time. I'm going to go 8.7.
8.7.